That right there is one of the most greatest Christmas presents I got this year, right next to my GoPro. Guys, this is a kayak, and I got it for Christmas, and it's awesome. It's a fishing yak, and I'll definitely be filming some sick content out of this thing with the GoPro. And if you'll look over here, it has the waterproof storage compartments, and you just undo all these, and then you just lift up. In here, it has space for your tackle and stuff like that. And then when you're ready, you just put it all back like this. Go here, like that, and then over here. Like that. No, that's not right. Hang on. Like this. There we go. Oh, yeah, maybe not. I don't really know, guys. I'm not good at this. We'll just leave it at that. Anyways, and then it came with it didn't actually come with the paddles. The paddles that it came with were not very good, so I also got this for Christmas because I didn't know that it was actually going to come with the paddle. So yeah, and I'm going to lay this over here for you guys. This is the paddle that it came with. It's not very good, so my dad's already been in it. That's why it's muddy. Let's go ahead and take a look and get in the kayak. Just like this. And you will sit like this, and this is a rod holder, like on a swivel. There we go, like on a swivel, and it like you can set your rod in it, and it moves around. Then up there is just a little storage compartment where you can put your tackle, and got a cup holder, and then another waterproof storage system. You just tape that off, and you can put like your phone and stuff like that in there. And over here on the sides, got the paddle holders, and then got the adjustable footrest for you guys. See, like you just slide them back like that. Oh yeah, that's better. Slide it back another notch like that, and yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Only problem is that I don't like about this kayak is that it did not come with a chair, but I still love it though. It's very comfortable, but I have not yet got out on the water. And I'm gonna have to practice getting in this thing because I don't have much experience with the yak. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a sun dolphin, as you can see right there. My cousin has the exact same kayak, so when I go back to his house, we'll get to fish together out of the same kayak. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just an overview of my kayak, and see you guys next time. One more look at the kayak.